Mastering the phrase, be good at something. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, be good at something. This expression is crucial for talking about skills and abilities, and understanding it can really help you express yourself more clearly in English. Whether you're discussing your talents, job skills, or hobbies, knowing how to use this phrase will enhance your conversational ability. So, let's get started. Be good at something is an idiomatic expression used to describe a person's competence or skill in a particular activity. It implies that the individual performs well in the specified area. This phrase can apply to a wide range of contexts, from academic subjects and sports to arts and everyday tasks. Examples: I am good at mathematics. She is good at playing the piano. They are good at football. The structure of be good at something is quite straightforward. It consists of the verb be, followed by the adjective good, the preposition at, and then the activity or skill. How to formulate sentences. 1. Choose the correct form of be, depending on the subject. Am, is, are, was, were. 2. Add good at right after the verb. 3. Specify the activity or skill you're discussing. Practice sentences. He is good at drawing. We are good at cooking Italian food. You were good at chess in high school. When using be good at something, it's important to avoid a few common errors. Incorrect verb tense. Make sure to use the appropriate tense for the verb be, according to the context. Misplacing the preposition at. The preposition at should always follow good directly. Forgetting the article or pronoun before the skill. Sometimes, especially with activities that are nouns, you might need an article or possessive pronoun. Corrected examples. Incorrect. She good at sing. Correct. She is good at singing. Incorrect. They are good in dancing. Correct. They are good at dancing. Understanding how to use the phrase, be good at something, is a great asset in English. It allows you to discuss your abilities and interests effectively and confidently. Remember the structure, practice forming sentences, and soon, you'll find yourself using this phrase like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.